Welcome to the Egyptian themed art journal weekend that we're going to hold at A Country Papercraft in Bruce Rock. So in this edition of video, I'm going to be sharing with you what it is that we are making this weekend and what you will get in your kits. So first of all, you're going to get a cheap little scrapbook that you're going to be able to make your creations in. Obviously, if you're comfortable working in your own journal, you're welcome to bring your own journal as well. Your first front of the diary that you're going to create is a little bit of mixed media to do with some resin embellishments and some die cuts, and it's showing you a couple of different mixed media techniques. One of the other pages that you're going to make is, this is a Tracy Scott inspired page where I'm changing up some of the ladies or the dolls that she makes, and we're changing it up and showing you a couple of basic stenciling techniques, but also basic colouring in. So you don't have to bring a lot to this retreat. You'll just need to bring your consumables, but some of your consumables are just basics. So I've just used some Crayola washable markers here. I have not used anything expensive. I've not used any brands in particular. They were just kids markers here to colour this item in, or this page in. So that's one of the pages that you'll be making. Another one of the pages that you'll be making will be this one, but this is all about collage. So we're going to be using a little bit of calligraphy paper and some of the Stamperia die cuts, and we'll have a couple of class use sets of the fortune stamps that we can share, and we're going to be going ahead and making this double spread as well. Then we're going to make this another Egyptian inspired spread here. The focus will be probably more on this side of the page that we're making, because this page is going to be a page where we do a little bit of painting, a little bit of stenciling, but it is also going to turn into a light up page. So as you can see here, you're going to have a Pharaoh inspired light up page. So this weekend is running at the start of May, and you will need to book through Marg and Vicky at Country Papercraft. And let me just show you what you get in your kit. Besides my tutoring and coming up for the weekend, you will be able to organise with Marg and with Vicky, whether you are coming as a day crafter or whether you are coming and staying for the weekend. But this will be the intensive kit that you will be getting. So in this kit you will get a whole packet of Stamperia fortune die cuts, which is the thick chipboard die cuts that you will get. You will also get a pack of resin frames or embellishments that are done. Some of these are Prima, some of these are Stamperia as well. You will be getting a set of 4 Egyptian themed stencils to use and keep for your weekend. So there's actually 4, sorry, I didn't get the last one out. So you will be getting these stencils as a set to make what you need to for the project on the weekend. You'll be getting some vellum to help with that. You will be getting an assortment of cardstock. You will be using the Tracy Scott stamps that I will be bringing, and this is just an example of what you'll be stamping so that you can colour. So you'll get a variety of cardstock to be able to stamp some of those images. You will be getting some lights that you can go ahead and use to make our light up page. You'll also be getting the batteries that come with it to be able to operate your lights. You'll get the sentiments for some of the pages that we're going to be making. Also some of the mixed media things. You'll be getting a variety of little beads and jewels to put ahead in your project. You will also be receiving a sheet of Japanese calligraphy paper that I have printed some Egyptian images on. So I will be showing you how to collage with that paper. And then finally, you'll also be receiving a sheet of Stamperia paper called Fortune. And we'll be using this for some of the projects that we're using as well. So quite a comprehensive kit, and it looks like it will be a lot of fun. And once again, we will be making this book with the front, which is a little bit of a mixed media cover. We'll be making this art journal page. We'll be making this one with the collage and the die cuts that we're using. And we'll be making this one as well. So if you're interested, please make sure that you get in contact with Marg and Vicky at A Country Papercraft in Bruce Rock. and it is a Saturday and a Sunday at the start of May 2025 that this is running. So get in contact and book your spot now.